Well, we had a patio, that walkway that was beginning to sink, and I noticed on the other end of the house I had a similar problem, and I didn't want that to sink and recede like the other one had. Well, I called the office, and the first person I spoke to really impressed me. I could tell that all the folks there are professionally trained, and I found that afterwards every person I spoke to was very thorough, and so I decided to go along with Lowcountry. I was absolutely surprised that we got it back to the original condition. There was some question whether or not we'd be able to level the length of the slab, and it came out perfectly. I think that Lowcountry Basement has a range of solutions for basements and walkways that is really an excellent process, and I would recommend it to anybody.